tectonic plates shifting. I see shiftings in the economic sector. I see shifting in the banking sector. I see shiftings in the culture. I see shifting in the entertainment industry. I see shifting in the music industry. I see shiftings. God's own, they are rising. They are rising. Giants are rising from Mount Zion. I am seeing God crowning people with a crown of honor for the 7 mountains of influence. Some of you are changing the face of education in this city. You are changing the face of commerce. God is crowning you with honor. I am seeing that crown of honor. For your time of lifting has come. God is orchestrating you like he did for Joseph. You are entering into the palace and sitting on the throne of prophecy.